Woodside literally rolled out the red carpet. I had a red carpet leading to my front door. They go above and beyond to make you feel so special on that day. I had all the people that helped me get to this point there with me, being Ed, the superintendent, who was the one who, was giving me my keys and walking me through the house again. And more importantly, I keep referencing Brian and Dan, that they have been, such a big part of this entire experience, where Dan was actually very sick. He should have been at home with the flu, and he made the extra effort to come out and be here the day that my keys were being handed to me, because that's how special this entire process has been. Woodside isn't like any other builder. My sister has built a home here, my parents built a home here, and when they heard all the things that I got, they were like, wait a minute, we never got that. And so it's the little things that I think Woodside goes above and beyond to do that really makes it that much more of a special experience.